Welcome to the Chris&Teena Johnson project. Today we are unboxing 3 boxes. Do you remember that we announced it on TikTok that we were unboxing something? Well, here it is on YouTube. So we have
a surprise. Watch us unbox. Catch us on TikTok, the Chris&Teena Johnson Proj.
an Amazon seller sent us some packages to unbox, and we gladly obliged. So let's see what's inside. Are you like me? Do you get nervous when you get like new packages? I'm always like, what's inside here? Anthrax? Something that'll explode?
Come on.
Let's see. Oh, okay, a box. That's kind of harmless. Or is it? Looks like footwear. Okay, let's turn it around. It is sandals. Oh, cork sandals.
What did you buy again?
No, this is not bought. This is actually from an Amazon seller. They sent us some products, this time sandals, to review. These are cork sandals.
So, what's in it for us?
Nothing. Guess what? We get sandals for free.
Oh, they're giving you those?
Yeah, that's for review.
Oh, well, that's nice of them.
Yeah, I like the sandals because they're like cork sandals. And they're black. They go with anything.
This is the advertisement in the Amazon store, SENHE store. There you can see the cork sandal in black, and I love their shots. It's just right on. You can see that they're similar to the Brikenstock cork sandals, and they're comfortable. They have a deep heel cup, and they also have arch support, anti-slip, and just amazing. They go with anything, stylish and comfortable.
So these cork sandals, they have synthetic leather on the top, and the bottom is shock absorbing. So these cork sandals, they have synthetic leather on the top, and the bottom is shock absorbing cork.
Didn't you just say that?
Yeah, they're very comfortable. Actually, they relieve the feet under pressure.
Well, not only that, they also insulate your feet from hot and cold climates. So like if you're on hot asphalt, you won't even feel it with these.
They're really comfortable. I mean, it's worth getting these. And I'll be posting the name of the shop on Amazon.
And I'll tell you one thing about cork too, I didn't know until I read up on them. It allows you to stay on your feet a lot longer.
Yeah!
How many did they send you?
3 pairs, I am assuming. So,
And you got to keep all of them?
all of them.
Oh wow, you better let them know how much you appreciate it.
Oh yeah, that's why we're doing this review. Boom. So this one, it's the same as the other one, except that they're white.
I like them. They'd be good for Easter.
Yeah!
Or
Easter.
the beach.
Oh yeah.
I like how they look so stylish, classy, and comfortable still. So here I'm showing you how the sandal looks in a foot, in my foot.
You mean with your foot?
And you can see also how comfortable they are. You can see the cork sole real nicely. It's really quality. It's not cheaply made. So you can know that when you buy and purchase these sandals, they are good quality. They're almost the same quality as the name brand ones.
One more footnote on the cork. It's also natural.
It is natural. Did you know that they're patterned after the German brand Brikenstocks? So they have the same feel like them. These are
White
white.
ones for summer.
Right. And they go with anything also. It's a new trend now to have white shoes and white sandals. These feel the same.
Wearing cork sandals is beneficial too because they keep your feet healthy. You can stay on your
Really?
feet longer. Yeah, it's a natural shock absorber.
That is awesome. It's sustainable.
Yeah, it comes from the bark of a tree, so it's natural. Well, I hope they don't cut all the trees down for it though.
But they say that they keep your feet healthy as well. So this is a cheaper alternative than the more expensive ones.
So cork is sustainable. So I found out you don't have to cut the tree down or kill the tree when you harvest cork. They just keep the tree alive and they just get some off of it. So it's sustainable. They don't have to hurt the environment.
Alright, so that's really interesting to note. Well, some of the more known brands, I already mentioned Brikenstock. There's Haflinger, Mephisto, and then I don't know how to pronounce this. Can you say that? Nailed?
Now,
And Tails. Taos? I don't know how to say it. But those are the more known brands. So take a chance on these Amazon sandals. And so I'm just laying them out. They also had a brown one.
okay.
Yeah, and black. So
They all look nice.
I'm
Same benefits.
very grateful for them. And I can only highly suggest these sandals to you. They're from Amazon, from an Amazon seller. I mean, they're high quality. Look at them. I mean, they're nicely made.
Comfort is there too, so that's the main thing.
And stylish, you know.
So the price range from Birkenstock, if you get them on sale, they might be lower than $90. But these from SENHE, they start at $22.99. If you have Amazon Prime, they're free shipping. And yeah, they come in black, white, and brown or cream, however you want to. Let us know what you think if you purchase them anytime, any year. Remember,
The sole is slip resistant, but I do need to warn you to be careful when the ground is wet. But then here again, thank you for watching the Chris&Teena Johnson project.
Thank you for watching the Chris and Teena Johnson project. We appreciate you. Please check out our other videos and comment what you think.